Just before Christmas, the company goes bankrupt. Now, Australia is slightly different to America. You guys take a week off at Christmas. It's our summer holiday and our Christmas all at once. There is not a decision maker anywhere to be found between the 20th of December and the 20th of January. We're on holidays, all of us. So I went looking for a job, and guess where I found one? Commission-only sales. The only place you can get a job. And after 5 days of product training, great product training, and no sales training, they put me on this street. They said, just go walk down that street, go and make sales. So I did, 93 doors later. It was 93 doors of walking into every person's shop, getting rejected, getting told to go and get a real job, getting reminded that what I was doing with my life, not quite appreciated by the rest of the world. And they were right. I was having a horrible time until the 93rd door where I made my first sale. And I remember it was a little shop, and I sold him everything. And I walked out, I was ecstatic. I'd made $70. $70. And for about 90 seconds, the world was a better place. Until I made the realization I've got to do this again tomorrow. And every day for the rest of the year, right? That was not an option for me. So what I did is I went looking for another way. Now, for a lot of people here, they've probably heard of people like Brian Tracy, Zig Ziglar. They wrote wonderful books. But I had a reading speed of a 6th grader. It would have taken me a year to figure that one out. So I discovered this cool tool. Seen it? YouTube? Funnily enough, there's a lot more there than just cat videos. Yeah, it surprised me too. So I learned the steps of a sale, and then I focused on every single one of those steps and got better and better at using them and working on them. And all of a sudden it went from 93 doors to 70 doors to 40 doors till all of a sudden 6 weeks later I was the #1 salesperson in the largest sales and marketing company in the Southern Hemisphere. It took 6 weeks.